This evening on the Business Review, the story of Border Jerk. Here's Amoy Harriot.
Imagine enjoying a delightful meal in one space bordering two parishes.
Right now, I'm sitting in the dining hall, and if you step over, and the dining hall is in Westmoreland, if you step over in the bathroom, you're in Hanover.
It's how Border Jerk got its name. This family-run business started as a street-side operation serving customers on weekends only. Before that,
My father and I used to supply places with meat, so we used to supply a jerk center in Clarendon by the name of Murray's Jerk Center. So we were doing that until one day he said to me, "What I think about, let us do one in Westmoreland." And I said, "Yes, Daddy, that would be a good trial." And that's how we started.
as with every startup, it was not easy.
We would only have an igloo with some ice. I buy ice every morning, didn't have any fridge, and that's the way we started. It was hard because even in the night, we used to have to season up every night and move the igloo from the shop every night and lock it up in a container. But it was wonderful.
Wonderful because, according to Managing Director Ryan McFarlane, there were many teachable moments during the startup journey. Patience was one, and faith.
We started on a Saturday, and it was a very big day here at Border Jerk. And we closed the Sunday and the Monday. I said to my father, "What do you think is going to happen on the Monday if we're going to get customer?" And from the Monday, a lot of persons came in, and from the whole week going until now, we're having a lot of customers. To God be the glory.
The demands for more resulted in an expansion of the investment. Now that too has presented its own challenges.
Sometimes I feel like I want to give up. Sometimes I can't get anybody to work, but I just push. There's a lot of work in it because sometimes I have to go to my bed like after 11, wake up at like 4:30 to start in the morning. It is very, very challenging. But when you see the good that is coming out of the business, it pushes me to go on and on.
The staff complement has grown from 4 to 15. But we've learned that being in the jerk chicken business isn't for everyone.
The jerk is kind of different from like the cooking the rice and the peas and the chicken. Sometimes it's very, very hard to find persons to work. They will come this week, and because of all the places we have like smoke, because we do real wood fire, some person don't want to work in it, so that's my biggest challenge.
Given its strategic location, in addition to locals, Border Jerk is also a hot spot for tourists. To others considering a startup, Mr. McFarlane had 3 words of advice. Never give up. With the Business Review, I'm Amoy Harriot.